يا شباب, long time you haven't seen me. I'm still alive. I've been concentrating on my online Arabic classes. I have a huge announcement and I'm so excited. This video that I'm not going to cut. I'm not going to edit it. I'm going to keep it spontaneous just to show you how much I am so excited to be back doing YouTube videos, and so crazy. I have to cut it. Feeling super excited to finally bring you this news. I have a huge announcement today that I've been holding for the past 2 years. Because of COVID, I couldn't hold my 2020 live courses in the Holy Land, but now I have a huge announcement for you, my students who have been waiting forever just like me to meet me and to study with me in the Holy Land. I have 2 courses in this summer. This is the announcement. This is the announcement. I'm going to hold, I organize already 2 Arabic classes. I'm going to explain to you everything in this video and give you all the information that you need in order to be one of the lucky members of the group that's going to come to the Holy Land with me this summer and study the Arabic language, immerse him or herself in the culture and in the language, and then enjoy also cultural, touristic experience along with me and other internationals and enthusiasts, language enthusiasts from all around the world. So let's get into business. This video is going to be, oh my God, you know, too long for me to stand and to speak in front of the camera on my own. So you know, anyways, okay, excuse my enthusiasm, but it's okay. I'm gonna calm down. Yalla Maha, recap. So back in at the beginning of 2020 or at the end of 2019, I have organized everything for the year 2020. I have organized 5 courses. These 5 courses unfortunately couldn't take place because of the pandemic, and I had to come up with this idea of teaching online. I have been blessed these past 2 years with online students. I've taught over, sit and listen to me, over 250 Arabic students from all around the world, people that have started also 2 years ago with me and still going into advanced, people that have started from zero and now are fluent in Arabic, and now we do just chats. So I've been blessed to have this experience of teaching online and meeting so many people online, people that I could also meet personally and make some reunions this year. So thank God, alhamdulillah, for this opportunity, and thank you guys. I've been dreaming though all this period of going back to meet my students live, because you know how much I love my job and I love teaching, and I've just came back from 1 month in Palestine, visiting my family, where I also worked on organizing these 2 courses that I'm going to announce today. So without rambling too much, it's already 3 minutes into the video, I know. But you missed me, yeah? You didn't? You did. So I have 2 courses this summer. I have 1 course that's going to be July 18th until July 27th. This course is going to be a modern standard Arabic course, beginner course. Who is this course for? This course is for everybody who's interested in learning the Arabic language, who has never learned anything before, just wants to put the right step into the journey of learning Arabic, want to learn the basics, to get involved and get attached to the language, start learning the language, because this is a beginner intensive course where I will teach my students from zero. I will take you from really a total beginner into an intermediate level. I know this sounds impossible to do in 30 hours or in 10 days. It is possible, and you have the testimonials of and the feedback of my past students who have taken the course with me. Of course, the full immersion, studying in the morning with your teacher, and then going in the street and applying what you've studied. It's of course, I cannot hold you for 1 month there. It's gonna be too expensive. But from experience, I've been teaching these courses for the past 8 years. So from my experience, I can do it in 12 days, and that's the first course that I'm going to hold for you. So I'm going to take you from zero, total beginner, into intermediate, sometimes upper intermediate level within these couple of weeks period. So this course is for people who have no idea at all about Arabic, or for people who have studied maybe a little bit of the alphabet, know a few words here and there. They have relatives, they have, they listen to songs. You have some curiosity and some knowledge about the language, but you don't know how it's structured and how to be able to go out and ask for a coffee in a restaurant. So this course is also for you. You know some alphabet, you know some words, this course is also for you. So it's a modern standard Arabic beginner course starting on July 18th until July 27th. Now I'm going to hold also a second course because I've had a lot of requests. I'm going to hold a second course. I'm going to stay there for 1 full month in my country and then hold as many courses, as many requests, that I can. This month I'm going to be able to hold a second course. So the second course is going to be a Palestinian dialect. I've had so many requests. Many people want to learn Palestinian, the spoken, the colloquial language. So finally, alhamdulillah, I'm offering you a Palestinian dialect course, which will be August 2nd, August 9th. Of course, Palestinian language, Palestinian dialect, it's a dialect, so it's a more spoken approach, so we need less days in an intensive course. So I'm going to hold it into like a 1 week full immersion in the Palestinian society, in a Palestinian spoken also city like Akka, Acre, Akko on the beach. So this is the second course. Now the second course, which is the Palestinian dialect course, it's also a beginner Palestinian dialect course. I'm not going to, I'm going to teach you the basics of the beginner spoken Shami dialect, the dialect spoken in Palestine, Lebanon, Syria, and Jordan. By the way, it's not one only dialect of Palestine, but it's a 4-country dialect called Shami, Levantine dialect. Now this course is going to be for beginner students, but it's a beginner Palestinian dialect course, not for total beginners in Arabic at all. So I need you to at least know your alphabet. Yeah, you come ready, you know your alphabet. You have a lot of months now before August 2nd, so prepare yourself to know some alphabet. If you have studied also an Arabic course before, like a beginner standard Arabic course, this course is also for you because the dialect is different. Yeah, so this course is going to be a little bit intensive. It is still a beginner course. It starts from the basics of the Palestinian dialect, but I need you guys to know at least something about the Arabic language. This at least is at least the alphabet. Yeah, if you don't know the grammar, if you haven't had a course before in standard Arabic, no problem at all. You can still take the course because I'm going to teach you all the verb conjugations, the pronouns, the prepositions, and everything from the beginning and how to speak. But if you have had a course before in standard Arabic, this course would still be beneficial for you because because it's a dialect, it's not the MSA, and it would enhance and speed up your ability to learn the dialect, okay, along with your classmates. So I'm super excited to tell you also, not to forget, that I also organized a couple of days dream trip, a dream trip to Jerusalem area, Bethlehem, the West Bank. Sometimes I take my students to Ramallah. I always take my students to Jericho, the oldest city in the world, and we also visit the Dead Sea, the lowest point on earth, and the Dead Sea. So it's a really magical experience where my students always look forward to. I usually do it on the first weekend after having studied some things, because we have to study, and then we go and tour the country. So it's a full package, a learning experience. It's an unforgettable experience for many of my students who became later on real life friends. It's really an experience that I want to live again, but I want to be also like part of my students. I wish to have this same experience that I give my students. I wish to have it my own as a student somewhere I love, and I know many people love the Holy Land, Palestine, Israel, and they would love to come and learn the language through this linguistic and cultural experience. So this is the chance. Come join us. Places are limited as usual, so hurry up and book your place. One last thing that I don't want to forget, I know this video is too long, but it's okay. One thing that I don't want to forget is that I organize everything when it comes also to your accommodation. I usually like to book a hostel style, so it's not that expensive for my students to come to study, to pay for the course and to pay for the accommodation. So I get good, cheap normal, affordable prices, and I choose a big, like Arab style mansion, a big house which is turned into a hostel, and not the normal hostel style that you know, but it's like a real Arab house, old house, where my students can really live together, all this experience, and do their homework together, and have rooftop cocktails, or do the homework on the roof together. So I love to organize. So the whole like price that you see, it includes the stay, the nights of stay. You can come one day before, of course, to be able to, like, if you apply for the MSA course, you can come on the 17th, Sunday, and then we start on the 18th. That night is also included in the price. All this information, by the way, I will give them to you as soon as you apply. All the details are very well explained, and many of my past, I've taught, I think more than also 200 students came to my country and learned with me throughout the years. So it's easy to arrive to the city, to learn your way into the class. Everything is in the same area. The city is amazing, it's on the beach. Where I will teach you is a couple of minutes walking distance from the hostel where I will put my students. So the full package includes also the stay and accommodation, but in case you like to book your own stay, you contact me and I will just give you the package of the school and the learning hours, the course fee. I think I said everything, and I hope I'll try to put some pictures here just to show you some ideas about my past courses. So let's recap together quickly before you kill me and you kill yourself and you stop learning Arabic. July 18th, July 27th, beginner standard Arabic course for everybody who wants to just start learning this fantastic language. I will implant the seed of love for this language in you in just a couple of weeks. And Palestinian dialect is for people who already have something connected to Palestine. You have a family member, you love the music, something regarding Palestinian or Lebanese or Jordanian again, or Syrian dialect, because it's one dialect spoken in all these 4 countries. This course is for you. It's a beginner course, but still it's more intense and intensive than the standard Arabic. From the 2nd of August until the 9th of August, again, you can come a day before, and the trip will also be held for the Palestinian, even if we have less days, but we will have 1 night stay in Bethlehem, 2 days where we will visit Jerusalem area, Dead Sea and Jericho and Bethlehem. All right, so start looking for flights. I already booked mine, and I will see you in the Holy Land to learn Arabic with me this summer. Yalla, مع السلامة, see you there.
Yalla, come here. مع السلامة.
Okay. Shukran, مع السلامة.
Shukran, Maha.
Shukran, Maha.
شكرا معها.
Thank you, Maha.
شكرا معها.
شكرا, مع السلامة.
شكرا معها. مع السلامة.
Shukran, Maha. إلى اللقاء, Maha. مع السلامة.
شكرا كثيرا معها. مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
Maha is a great teacher, the place is fantastic, so come. Yalla!